A ZANU-PF insider revealed on Saturday that depending factional rifts and disagreements sparked by Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 led the party to call off a high-profile event in Masvingo. Zarabena Masvingo mdani kwa chinzi CAB3 tension hits ZANU-PF Masvingo. That was subscribe like out on the bell icon. Tipra mnamo mdani kwa mchinzi. The Youth League Sika rally was scheduled for Saturday 13 June 2026 at Benjamin Burombo. Participants were instructed to abandon plans just hours before it was set to begin. A ZANU-PF source circulated a directive stating, "Attention all, today's Youth League car rally at Benjamin Burombo Saturday 13 June 2026 is off until further notice due to matters beyond our control. Do not bring party vehicles or assemble for this activity. Sorry for any problems that this creates." Another ZANU-PF source said, "The fight over CAB3 is causing divisions and hostility within ZANU-PF, prompting the abrupt cancellation. The proposed amendment has set party camps against each other over its wider consequences." Planners had lined up hundreds of cars for the procession, but the order stopped all movement. There is no word yet from the party on whether the rally will happen later. Doma developments are buda pangwa ino achingoudzawo gari nyika yeZimbabwe kuti pangwa ino tensions they are hitting ZANU-PF and pangwa ino yenawo dzima constitutional amendments nemapower struggles ari kuonekwa kunzi they are unavoidable at the moment. Kuna comment section medu dzavhura any more kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like pamwe channel on the bell icon.